Hi guys, welcome back to another video from me and my pets TV. Guys, please remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to be notified each time a video is dropped. We thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate it. Goodbye. Let's get into the video.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Guys, on today's video we'll be looking on this budgie right here. Now guys, as you can see, this is the cockatiel flight cage and we have a budgie in there. So now the budgie, he was in his flight cage and he escaped, and since then he has taken up residency in the cockatiel pen. Now the cockatiel, they are not bothered by the budgie. I think they actually live good together. The only birds that I see really bother the cockatiel is the lovebird, because they tend to fight with them, tend to pick at them, so they can't be in the same cage together. However, this budgie, he has been in there for more than a week. As you can see, he just flies about. When it's meal time, he eats with them, he drinks with them, and he perches on their stick with them. So he and them, they get along real well. You see him just a fly about and do theme things, and they're just humbly doing their own. So them not really make that affect them, as me tell you, because he's not trying to create an argument or fighting with them. Then them just left him alone. But no, if it was the lovebird, then we would have to move that bird immediately, because lovebird tends to pick a lot. But I think these two are really nice together, budgie and cockatiel. But only can say budgie I have fun. Apart from him going, I'm gonna see him try come back out. How did he get in there? There's a little section of the cage. It is too small for the cockatiels to escape from or to enter from, but it is big enough for the budgie. So he walked at the bottom of that section there, that little opening that's on the cage, and that's how he got in, and he has been there. Anyway guys, remember to like out the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell. Guys, tell a friend about the channel so that we can grow together. Goodbye. Adios.